What's up, everyone? Welcome back to AI Anime Studios with a Z. This isn't a complete tutorial video at the moment because I don't have a budget to currently create anything right now. Going through some very tough times. But today I'm going to show you guys how I created Asagami. So Asagami was written in 2011, then created in 2012 using Goanimate, and now I use AI. So first up, I generate my images using Leonardo AI. Here's what I recommend. Create a Google Doc with all of your characters' prompts listed and saved. That way you can just copy and paste the character's description into the prompt when it's time. There's probably a more efficient way of doing it, but that's just what I do personally. Next, write out your script. Always write out each episode in Google Docs. I personally don't use ChatGPT to write for me. I write my own material. But I'm not saying you shouldn't. Just have a good script for your story ready to go and a website for your images. There's plenty to pick from. After you have your story and you created your characters' prompts in Google Docs and you've picked some image and video software to use, you're ready to begin. Now, as for what I use for video, I import my episodes' images into Midjourney, but I also use Leonardo AI for video as well. That's actually a brand new feature. Go check it out. It's cool. And I use Filmora Wondershare to edit everything. Filmora has a one-time lifetime payment of $60 and is always updating with new features. I remember back in the day, I used to use Windows Movie Maker. Any old people here who remember that? Now, this next step is very important. When I create an episode of Asagami, I go frame by frame. This means that instead of saving every image at once, creating every video at once, I go by what happens in the episode first. Essentially, I create the episode as I'm generating the images and videos. This is to help organize everything. I use 11 Labs for the voices, but you can also use Voice Maker. And I use Udio to create the music, create an entire soundtrack that's ready to go. So I suggest writing all of these steps down, learn the software, and again, here's a list. Midjourney for the videos and images, Leonardo AI for the same thing, Udio for music, 11 Labs for voices. And I'm currently learning something else right now. Shh, don't tell no one. It's to make Asagami even more immersive. So I hope this video helps you on your creative journey. If you go into it thinking it's easy, you will get very frustrated. Take your time, learn what the different softwares do, go on Midjourney to see things like VO3, Vdo, Kling, and the rest. Good luck, artist. I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already, check out the first episode of the Goanimate classic,
Asagami!
Asagami, remade using AI. The story is about a ghost named Susumu, who after being killed passes her power to her son, Shiki. Shiki must navigate the new ghostly power in a dangerous world full of myth and power.